Hello and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to change your display name in the Roblox app on your Android phone. Whether you want a fresh new look or just want to update your identity, this tutorial will make the process simple and easy to follow. First, open the Roblox app on your Android device. Next, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the More option. Then, from the menu that appears, select Settings. After that, choose Account Info from the list of available options. Following this, click on Display Name. Now, enter your new display name carefully. Finally, make sure to tap the Save button to confirm your changes. Thank you for watching. Now you know how to change your Roblox display name on Android easily. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tutorials.